Hello guys, let's learn some colors. Black color, pink color, light green color, sky blue color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, dark green color, dark blue color, violet color, purple color, red color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Purple color. Violet color. B. B for book. Red color. C. C for cow. Dark blue color. D. D for doll. Yellow color. E. E for elephant. Pink color. F. F for flowers. Sky blue color. G. G for grapes. Dark green color. H. H for horse. Light green color. I. I for ice cream. Orange color. J. J for juice. Purple color. K. K for kite. Red color. L. L for lion. Yellow color. M. M for mango. Violet color. N. N for nurse. Pink color. O. O for orange. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.